Let me back that up. Welcome back to Gas and Supply Co. I'm Robbie, and I'm here with my friend and customer, Daniel Serrano, and we're talking about a Little Shop big brake kit for the front of his truck. Daniel, how you doing today, man?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for coming by and doing this. Tell everybody at home what kind of truck you've got this big brake kit going on.
Okay, it's going on a 67 C10 short wheelbase. It's gonna have a LS swap, no limit, front wide ride.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's got a QA1 coilover setup in the rear.
Very cool. So you've decided to go with a Little Shop big brake kit, and what we've got here on the table is a 14-inch drilled and slotted rotor. We've got a 4-piston Little Shop manufacturing caliper. We've got a Wilwood aluminum pro spindle with their proprietary sealed hub unit bearing here, and then we've got obviously the hat for the rotor. We've got the hat for the caliper, and what's cool about Little Shop is they come with, even though we don't need it in this setup because Daniel's going with the Wilwood Pro Spindle, they come with this really awesome hub assembly for the brake kit if you're not using an aluminum spindle and you're just going with a regular spindle. Additionally, Wilwood sends their steering arm that bolts to the Wilwood spindle. So you've got a really complete kit here for the front. Why did you go with the Little Shop manufacturing 14-inch kit?
Really, I've just always followed Little Shop on Instagram and social media, and I like what they're doing. I like that they're kind of a smaller company, yes. So I've always just really been interested in what they've been doing, and then you have them on your website, so I figured it'd be a good idea.
Awesome.
Stay local, support local.
Yeah, I really appreciate that. So you've yet to install these, but what's your first impression looking at all of this?
It's beefy. It's really, it's nice. It's a great setup. I love the calipers. Yeah. I love the Wilwood unit bearings, so it's just sick setup, honestly.
Yeah, I think this stuff is super quality, and if you're looking to get a similar setup for your truck, your car, head over to gasandsupply.com. We can get you taken care of.